Wow, I just can't believe PayPal is almost at $50. This stock was once a $300 stock. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at a 3-year daily chart. You can see back in, this was 2021, it hit a high of 310. And now it's trading at 51.75. Every single week, it's been hitting 52-week low. And I was afraid of this, and I didn't sell sooner. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of money in PayPal along with Chinese stocks. So PayPal, Square, I'm down pretty big. And they have earnings next week. And I don't think it's going to go well. Had Google that reported earnings. It dropped. We had Meta that reported earnings. It dropped. We have MasterCard that reported earnings today. It dropped. You can see MasterCard. It was down over 5%. So I don't know what's going to really push PayPal up. Even if they beat the bottom and top line, if they announce a very soft guidance, it will drop. I would definitely hedge, and I'm most likely going to hedge because I didn't hedge the last few times it dropped. The last time, the time before that, and I'm sure it's going to follow the trend. It's going to gap down after earnings. I hope I'm wrong. I really would love to see PayPal over $100 one day, but I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. Look at this. It hit a low of 51.06. And when did it ever hit 51.06? Let's go ahead and look at a max chart. This was back in 2017. We have not seen this price since 2017. So if you've been investing long term since then, you have not made any money. And I regret getting into these stocks and getting into the stock market. You can see, let's go ahead and take a look at the options chain. So earnings is next week. You can see the implied volatility is 89% versus 53% this week. That's because of earnings. The IV is extremely high, and they're predicting a plus or minus about 5 points. A lot of people getting the 50 puts. You can see volume 6,500 volume traded today. On the call side, we have the 52, the 58 strike, but nothing like the 6,500. So does someone know something about PayPal for next week? These puts are extremely expensive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a put debit spread, which I will probably do the 50. So buy the 50 and sell the 45. So instead of paying $1.91, I am paying about $1.40, which is not too bad, but that's definitely, it would have to drop a lot in order to make money, and it would have to go up a lot to make money. But I'm definitely not getting my hopes up for next week just because there's already a lot of earnings that came out and they lowered their guidance. Even though the top number and the bottom number were beat, the stock dropped. So I don't see how PayPal can even go up. A lot of people are saying this can go up to 100, but looking at this chart and looking at the overall sentiment, it's not going to happen this year. Let me know your thoughts. Are you buying PayPal? And thanks for watching.